Welcome to Data Engineer YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can create copy activity in Azure Data Factory. So nothing, what you need to do is you will click on new, you will click on pipeline. I will create a new pipeline. The name of the pipeline is pipeline 2. And what I will do is I want to move the data, I want to copy the data. So I will be dragging and dropping the copy data activity from move and transfer. So this is nothing but your copy activity. Now for copy activity to work, you need to give the source and you need to provide the same. Now what is your source? You need to provide the dataset name. So in the dataset, I have already created an Excel file and a delimited text. So which is the CSV schema. So what I want is I want source to be Excel file, like it should bring the data from the Excel file, which is hosted in the dev container with the name as Walmart dataset, which is a dummy dataset. Right now, what it will do is it will fetch the data from here. Even you can click on preview data to check how your data looks like, everything. For this, you need to have a link service, you need to have an integration runtime, and again you need to have a blob storage created. Like your source can be anything. I have created like a blob storage. Inside that I have just uploaded a Excel file. Your source can be even a database, that can also be possible. Your source can be anything, right? Now the question is how for if it is a different source, this video is not useful for you. No, it is useful because the steps are same. Just you will just again you need to make a data set, again you need to have a link service for that data source. Everything is same, but basically your data set name will be different. Okay, so just see it, everything will be majority same only. Now I have provided my source, I will provide my sink. So my sink is a delimited text. If you don't have a sink, you can create a new one. I have already. So I will click on delimited text. And now I will tell the copy behavior also. If you want to create it is a merge file, you can click on merge file. It is nothing. So I have none of the copy behavior. And file extension is .txt and so on. You can provide the things and that's it. Write your source and sink is set up. That's it. It is very easy. So to create a integration runtime, so just see it is giving error for pipeline 1. So what I will do is I will delete the pipeline 1 because it is empty as of now. So now I will publish it. So pipeline 2 I am publishing, and you will be able to see that it is published successfully. Now if you want to run it for a temporarily run it, you can click on debug. If you want to run a schedule thing, you can schedule a trigger, which we will learn in the upcoming classes, right? The main difference between debug and trigger is like whenever you are in the development phase, you can use debug. Debug gives you the detail, like why the error happened, what's the reason and everything. Whereas trigger, if we talk about triggers, triggers are basically when the development is over, when you are into your QA phase or your production phase, right? Now, I am covering all these topics, for Azure Data Factory. When we are creating two major projects, one is the for the ETL part, and one is end-to-end project, which is YouTube analytics using ADF and Excel. So stay tuned. Watch all this video, and you will be able to create these two simple and very enjoyable projects. So stay tuned. If you have any question, definitely put it in the comment section. Thank you.